Katapusan nga, kami mapasalamat po kayo sa inyong gihanyag karon na makakama mo. Ako mag-ibig mawag siya, kaya wala mag-ibig pag-abot. Wala mag-iakas. So, lahat ng magsabot ang mga magulitan ka na daw. Wala na po kayo mo.
Thank you, Mr. Tony. Mr. Presiding Officer, esteemed colleagues, friends from the media, visitors, ladies and
to subpoena powers. We invite these people, as mentioned, military assets, sa Takbo, and that's Malinaw. Corporal Brian Malinaw to appear before the committee during the investigation or the so-called committee hearing. I humbly suggest it to the President.
But we will take note of that, Your Honor. The matter was already referred